Hi. To the airport, please?
Which terminal?
Terminal B.
A domestic flight?
Yes, to Chicago.
Chicago is a great city.
My very first time visiting.
You will absolutely love it.
What time is our arrival?
About 30 minutes.
Traffic looks very light today.
Yes, we are very lucky.
We have plenty of time.
Is it your summer vacation?
Just visiting my older sister.
For how long?
Exactly 1 week.
Have a wonderful, safe trip.
Thank you so much.
Where are you flying today?
To Chicago, please.
How many total passengers?
2. My husband and me.
Your IDs, please.
Here you go.
Are you checking any bags?
Yes, 1 big bag.
Any carry-on bags today?
Yes, 2 small carry-ons.
Put the bag on the scale.
Is it over the size limit?
No, you are completely fine.
What is the weight limit?
Exactly 50 pounds.
How much is ours?
Yours is 42.
Do we have window seats?
Row 12, A and B.
Side by side?
Yes, right next to each other. Here are your boarding passes.
What is our gate number?
Gate 17. Turn right after security.
Thank you very much.
Have a very great flight.
Boarding pass and valid ID.
Here you go.
Please quickly remove your shoes.
Both shoes right now?
Yes, and your light jacket.
Okay, no problem.
Take your laptop out of the bag.
Do I remove liquids?
Yes, in a small clear bag.
Everything is under 3 ounces.
Good. Put everything in the bin.
Like this?
Yes, step through the scanner.
Do I wait here?
Arms up, please.
Okay, I am ready.
You are perfectly clear.
That was actually easy.
Please safely collect your items.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful, safe flight.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What is wrong?
I absolutely cannot find my gate.
What exactly is the gate number?
Gate 23.
Let me eagerly see your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Gate 23. Straight that way.
Left or right?
Turn left. Walk straight ahead.
How far exactly?
Just about 5 minutes.
Is it past the big food court?
Yes, right after it.
What time is your own flight?
My flight? 11:30.
Mine is precisely at noon.
You have plenty of time.
I was so incredibly worried.
No need to worry at all.
Where are you traveling to?
To Chicago.
I am happily going to Miami.
Nice. Is it a vacation?
Yes, first real time in America.
Welcome. Thoroughly enjoy lovely Miami.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome.
Do you sell any travel guides?
Which city?
Chicago.
Right over here. This one is popular.
Does it have the best restaurants?
Yes, and main attractions.
Perfect. How much is it?
$14.99.
I will take it.
Looking for anything else today?
A fast novel for the long flight.
Mystery or sweet romance?
Mystery.
This dark one is a massive bestseller.
Good reviews?
5 bright stars everywhere online.
I'll take it.
Need any small snacks?
Trail mix?
Write strictly by the front register.
I will quickly grab one.
Total is exactly $26.50.
Here you go.
Need a plastic bag?
No thanks. I have my carry-on.
Really enjoy your long flight.
Table for one today?
2. My husband is quickly coming.
Write this pleasant way.
Thank you.
Here is the big menu.
What is really fast?
The burgers, barely 10 minutes.
We have precisely an hour.
Plenty of safe time then.
2 big burgers, please.
Fries with that order?
Yes, please.
Any cold drinks?
2 iced waters.
Bottled or simply tap?
Tap is completely fine.
Coming right up.
Is there a working charging station?
Write strictly by the far window.
My phone is completely dying.
There are many outlets too.
Perfect.
Here are your hot burgers.
That was amazingly fast.
Enjoy. What exact gate are you?
17.
Barely 5 minutes from here.
Good. No massive rush then.
Watch your step.
Row 12A.
Straight down the aisle.
I see our row.
Let me put this bag.
In the overhead bin?
Yes, it fits perfectly.
Can I sit here?
The window seat? Sure.
I love looking out.
That is the runway.
It looks very busy.
Big airport, many flights.
Are you comfortable?
Very comfortable. Good legroom.
Fasten your seatbelt now.
Mine is already secure.
When do we leave?
We take off soon.
Turn your phone off.
I put airplane mode.
Here we go.
Next stop is Chicago.
Excuse me, sir.
How can I help?
I feel very cold.
Do you want a blanket?
Yes, please. A warm one.
I will get it now.
I also feel dizzy.
Are you feeling airsick?
Yes, my head hurts.
Let me get hot water.
What about a sickness bag?
It is in your pocket.
Oh, I see it.
Here is your hot water.
Thank you so much.
Use the call button anytime.
You are very helpful.
Just try to sleep now.
We finally made it.
Chicago, it is huge.
Which baggage carousel number?
The screen says 4.
Over there. I see it.
Are our bags out?
Not yet. Keep looking.
That was a long flight.
How are you feeling now?
Honestly, very tired. You?
No more dizzy spells.
Good. What is next?
Take the hotel shuttle.
And then some lunch.
Deep dish pizza, maybe?
Yes, the famous pizza.
Look, our luggage is coming out.
I'll get it.
It's very heavy. Be careful.
Chicago, here we come.